Real quick message before this video starts, be sure to subscribe to JJ Inc. 24's newer channel. Apparently his old one got deleted by accident, but he has a new channel up and he is uploading all of his old videos to it, so be sure to go subscribe to the new one. The link will be in the description. Happy Fire Alarm Day, everybody. What's up guys, it's Fire Alarm 9200 and I'm bringing you a new series. This is going to be Lite MS-5UD Test 1. Now, if you've seen my update video from yesterday or whatever time this video goes up, then you might want to go check that out because that also has a little bit of an explanation why I'm making a new series on this panel. But anyway, this is a test that I've wanted to do for years, and since I finally have an MS-5UD, I could do it. So the pull station is a Simplex 2099 9101. Wanted to use the 4250 120, but I need to do some repairs on that because the terminals came out. And there's wire here. It's leading into the bathroom, is it? It's going over here. And this is a rare amber strobe wheel lock AS that Jack Williamson had picked up, and he's letting me use it for this test. And as you can see, there is more wire. And that is leading to another wheel lock AS, and this is the one that I picked up a few months ago, and this one's white, multi-candela. So
they're both multi-candela.
Yep. So anyway,
I'm gonna
gotta make this test
get a good
quick
angle so I can get a good video of these things syncing up.
And as you can see, it's normal because it's borrowing the batteries again, which the 4006 will get its own a better set. So here we go. Synchronization action. Paparazzi.
You go ahead and silence.
Alright, we have selective silence turned on, so these strobes are still synchronized and flashing. I really like that amber strobe AS, and as you can see, there's no lettering on the side either.
It's picking up on my camera, both strobes flashing individually. Yeah. Because my new DSLR.
Yep. And speaking of new cameras, I also got a new camera, but unfortunately it's dead. It's a ZI-8. So I'm using my phone, my strange phone camera again, just to get this test done. So now we're going to use my...
Yeah, yesterday I picked up a Nikon D5200 DSLR. Yeah. For super cheap. As in nothing.
So, yeah, find my messy keys here. I still love this panel. I'm so happy that I was able to pick this up. It's been a dream panel of mine for a while.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yep. As you can see, I do not have to press any acknowledge button. The MS-5UD is normal. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this new series. There's going to be more to come with this panel. However, this might be the last test of it in this particular location. So, you'll see this panel, another video of this panel again really soon.
Have a good day.